Compromise does not define individuality. There is no compromising with MSO. This is an incredibly private service designed from the ground up to realize your McLaren your way. Here is where unique cars develop. An unusual level of client and craftsman partnership, one that is shaped by your vision. Since 1981, every McLaren has been built around a super strong, lightweight monocoque made of carbon fiber. The SOLUS GT is no different. It's how we produce thrilling, race-winning automobiles for the road and track, with the help of specialized, low-volume production techniques such as the carbon pre-preg process. SOLUS GT is able to produce vehicles with enormous structural strength, great lightness, and the highest degree of finish uniformity. A radical McLaren design idea inspired by virtual racing, now actualized. And very uncommon, only 25 SOLUS GTs will ever be produced. This is the epitome of track driving focus and involvement, made possible by McLaren's position at the forefront of supercar and hypercar development. One seat only, with a closed central cockpit and a canopy akin to a jet aircraft, a completely new design freed from compromises caused by road and race restrictions. A 5.2-liter V10 engine with natural aspiration and a maximum rev limit of 10,000 RPM produces more than 840 PS inside the distinctive monocoque, with a ruthlessly reduced weight of less than 1,000 kilograms and 1,200 kilograms of downforce. It comes the closest to what it feels like to drive a Formula One car. What is the SOLUS GT? The SOLUS GT is a stunning, uncompromising embodiment of McLaren's ingenuity and skill. A fascinating imagery idea brought to life, track-ready without giving in. Discover some of the unique colors and finishes made for this single-seat wonder, which is a first in the world. The unconventional exterior of the SOLUS GT is steadfastly true to its virtual source and to the design philosophy of McLaren. Everything for a reason. On well-established aerodynamic principles honed by extensive wind tunnel testing and computational fluid dynamics or CFD, numerous elements are incredibly strong in the sense of dreams becoming reality. The striking sliding glass canopy that arcs forward to provide access to the single seat that is located in the middle, the wheel-enclosing aerodynamic pods, the magnificent front splitter directs air through ground effect tunnels, and out the back diffuser. Cool air is fed into the engine through the motorsport-inspired intake above the cockpit. The lines between dream and reality are hazy in SOLUS GT. Enter the one-seat interior by opening the elegant canopy. Each SOLUS GT owner has their own unique seat fitted. This indicates that the adjustable pedal box has allowed for a precise and customized driving position, ready for the race. Through the curved glass bubble, there is a panoramic, symmetrical 180-degree view of the circuit beyond the Formula One-inspired steering wheel. The centralized driving stance is ideal. The driver can position the SOLUS GT with extreme precision thanks to the contoured wheel pods. This Formula One-style automobile for enthusiasts offers such a high level of skill and sensory overload that McLaren has produced a complete racing driver experience. An FIA-homologated race suit, helmet, hands, that's head and neck safety, device, radio communication technology, and individual seat fitting are all part of it. We ensure that every moment may be appreciated. The SOLUS GT's 5.2-liter V10 engine is distinctive. It has a custom crank capacity, air intake, and exhaust system. Each individual cylinder has a barrel throttle, which is a track-only feature that provides razor-sharp throttle response. Since the camshaft and ancillary systems are gear-driven, there are no chains or belts in the engine. Low-volume machine components are widely used. The engine is directly attached to the monocoque because it is a structural component of the chassis, staying true to its pure motorsport heritage. Although this method is never used in production automobiles, it provides an extreme track racer with crucial strength and rigidity and an onslaught of in-depth input to the driver that indicates complete engagement. A carbon fiber clutch with automatic software and a 7-speed sequential gearbox with straight-cut racing gears are used to regulate the crazy engine of the SOLUS GT. It offers a harmony between aggressive shifting and usability. This unique focused combination produces a 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 to 62 mph acceleration time target of 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of more than 200 miles per hour. But what will be recalled most clearly is the sensation, the feel, and the sound, surpassing even these astonishing statistics. When you start the engine, a natural force comes to life, a 5.2-liter V10 engine with racing roots that can reach 10,000 RPM. Performance is maximized in every component. Responsiveness, driver involvement, the Formula One experience. It started as an outrageous, daring concept sketch. Then in 2017, SOLUS GT entered the crowded gaming market with Gran Turismo Sport, where it raced to virtual victories. The ultra-exclusive track car originated from these wholly uncompromising beginnings, free of restrictions or rules, straight from the realm of fantasy to the unadulterated physical reality. This sports prototype racing package was created using tried and true aerodynamic principles in every way. The carbon fiber body is shrink-wrapped over extremely high-performance engineering components to create pure technical sculpture. There is a teardrop cockpit with a wraparound canopy screen that offers a 180-degree perspective of the track, as well as the iconic McLaren hammerhead nose. Spectacular wheel pods minimize weight and control airflow to lessen turbulence behind each tire. There is a full clamshell at the back that opens up for simple access to the engine compartment. The extremely low trailing edges reduce base pressure and reduce drag. The Speedtail Hyper GT is where these techniques were invented. One of the SOLUS GT's many visually appealing features is a twin-element fixed rear wing. Even its formal beauty serves a purpose, maximizing downforce over the rear while closely coordinating with the ground effect's high downforce and the suspension's low-pitch sensitivity from motorsport. This incredible feature helps to minimize weight by eliminating the requirement for active front and back wings. Together, these cutting-edge and extreme aerodynamic techniques provide downforce that is greater than the car's weight and minimizes drag. Performance in straight lines and cornering ability are improved. Before the 5.2-liter V10 engine even fires up, the unique drama of driving the SOLUS GT starts. Even just walking inside the cockpit is exciting. A cleverly designed mechanical lever is used to open a sliding canopy, and the entire design slides forward in a shallow arc to reveal the single-seat cockpit. More fighter jet than automobile it. The canopy is strengthened with a halo-like framework using cutting-edge safety ideas straight from motorsport. Driver protection comes first. Naturally, the driving experience is emphasized in every last interior detail, bringing you as near to the Formula One experience as is feasible. It is a whole unique setting that was created for exceptional track performance. The 6-point harness is installed in the molded seat, which was formed using a technique straight out of the highest tier of motorsport. A mold is made using a phenolic resin-based technique and micro-bead technology from which each individual seat is subsequently produced. The only way to guarantee total comfort throughout the grueling track sessions is to do it. The seat is firmly locked into place, however the pedal box is completely adjustable, exactly like in a racing-specific vehicle. The SOLUS GT is different in that you may simply modify the pedals while driving. The majority of the essential functions and the TFT display are located on the carbon fiber steering wheel, which is directly in front of you. Everything you require in the heat of the moment is at your fingertips, or is visible at a glance. For genuine comfort, lap after lap, a complete heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is installed. The ignition controls and a fire extinguisher with plumbing are located over the driver's head. A camera installed on the roll hoop feeds photos for the rear view display, which is also visible here. This gives traffic a clean, wide-angle vision to pass during slow laps or when maneuvering in the pit lane. The majority of SOLUS GT's inspiration comes from motorsport. The rigorous pursuit of lightness permeates every strand of its innovative design. The Formula One and sports car racing technologies were used to shape the carbon fiber monocoque. Carbon fiber makes up the front and back impact structures. The body's intricate curves and forms are made of carbon fiber, which has been precisely honed and molded to provide maximum stability and aerodynamic effectiveness. Although the top tier of motorsport's preferred material, carbon fiber, was used to make the majority of the SOLUS GT, 3D printed titanium was used for the roll hoop and cockpit protection system, while allowing for precisely tailored design. This cutting-edge method also lightens the design. In the virtual world, SOLUS GT first appeared, where limitations and restrictions from daily life are meaningless. It is the first vehicle to ever successfully go from a screen to a track without sacrificing any of the original idea. A McLaren that weighs less than 1,000 kilograms is the result of the relentless pursuit of lightness.